So what do we mean by independent learning? So there's lots of different discussions about this, but independent learning is working through a task individually using the resources that you have provided. So you are asking students to individually complete a task. So you are not leading from the front. What you are hoping for them to achieve is to complete a task successfully by themselves. Now, this can happen both inside and outside of the classroom. Outside of the classroom, you might set them homework. You might ask them to look something up on the internet or in the library. Inside the classroom, this might be me as an English teacher. I might ask my students to complete some punctuation tasks by themselves. I might also ask them to write some of the story by themselves, okay? Now, if my students are doing something and I'm not needed at the front to present, what is my role there? What should I be doing in that situation if my learners in my classroom are completing a task by themselves? So the teacher's role is the same if you're doing a group work with your students or whether they are doing it individually. So let's say that you want them to complete a punctuation task, but do it in a small group, 3 or 4 of them. What's your role during that task?